Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are fit and fine. Let's continue with our first chapter, Wonder, Part 3. Look at this picture. What do you think about this picture? Which things come into your mind after seeing this picture? Yes, this is the picture of a diary where we can write our record, our feelings, our secrets and good and bad experiences. So, today we will learn how to write a diary entry. This will be the learning outcome of today's class. Today we will learn how to write a diary entry. Now read this question. Why do we need to write a diary entry? I repeat, why do we need to write a diary entry? Think and write. A diary is a record of personal events. A diary is a book in which we can write about things that happen in life every day. Got my point? Now look at the format of writing a diary entry. First of all, we will write date, then we will write day, after that time, then we will give some space and we will write dear diary, then we will write content or body of the diary. In the end, we will write name and after that we will write signature. Rules for writing a diary entry. Here are given some rules for writing a diary entry. We will use first person while writing a diary entry. First person means I. Then we will use second form of the verb, past indefinite tense, second form of the verb, subject plus second form of the verb. Subject first person and second form of the verb. Make small sentences. These are the some rules for writing a diary entry. Here are given some common lines which we can add in the content of a diary entry. We can start like this. Yesterday or today or once I had the bitterest or sweetest experience of my life. You can choose anyone, yesterday or today or once. I had the bitterest. If you have a bad experience, then you will write bitterest experience, and if you have a good experience, then you will write sweetest experience of my life. I never had such a vast beautiful experience before. In the same way, if you have a bad experience, then you will write worst, and if you have a good experience, then you will write beautiful experience. Then you will share your experience or you can write your experience. In the end, you will write, I will never forget this event in my whole life. Got my point? Now, here is given a sample of diary entry. I am going to read this. Taking help from the information, make a diary entry. How you saw and experienced God's own country. Kerala, God's own country, invited by my friends, Christmas holidays, coconuts and palms, fishing memorable stay. First of all, we will write, as we have discussed, date, then we will write day, after that we will write time, then we will give space dear diary, and we will start body of the diary. A few months ago, I had the sweetest experience of my life. I never had such a beautiful experience before, as we have discussed. On Christmas holidays, my friends invited me to visit Kerala. Kerala is famous for coconut palm trees and fishing. The people of Kerala are generous. I spent a good time with them and they treated me as family. It was such a fun time. I will never forget this event in my whole life. As we have discussed the format and we have discussed the common lines, here is a sample of diary entry. Now I am giving you homework. In this homework, on the basis of the story Wonder, you have to write August wrote in his diary about his visit to Summer's house. He started like this. You have to complete this diary. I hope you all have enjoyed today's session. Do this work carefully and send me on WhatsApp group. Thank you. Stay home. Stay safe.